Hi everyone! It's been a long time that last time that I uploaded videos, but anyways, um, I just finished two videos. Finally, I have videos to upload, but I'm not sure if I'm gonna upload it right away because now that I have a baby, it's hard to manage the time. Before I can like film, and after I make a video, edit it and upload it right away, but right now it's hard. I have to manage the time, but yeah, finally I have something to upload because I wanna continue uploading videos. I already started making a video, so I have to keep uploading videos, making videos, but it's super busy. I wish I can upload videos every day, but I cannot. That's not possible. I do work. That's my reason. I can upload videos all the time. Cannot make videos all the time. Busy, busy, busy. The dishwashing machine is so loud. I'm doing dishes. So this bracelet that I got in the thrift store is so cute. I just love this bracelet. It's really cute bracelet. I don't know how do you call this type of bracelet, but it's really cute. So earlier after work, I got what do you call it? I got chicken for dinner, so I don't have to worry cooking whatever I wanna cook because I'm lazy sometimes. I'm too lazy, especially when I work and when I get home I'm tired, so I'm just be like not thinking about cooking or something like that. So I got roast chicken for dinner, and also I already cook rice for my dinner in Instapot. So it's easy to cook rice in Instapot or rice cooker, really easy. I like how it's easy to cook rice because I grew up in the Philippines. We cook rice in the fire, so it's take like I don't know, like maybe 20 minutes to cook rice. It depends. So yeah, I got this roast chicken, traditional flavor. This is what's look like, guys, and my rice is ready. There you go. One more thing, I'm tired. I've been up since 3 o'clock in the morning because I have to work at 4 a.m. so I need to get up like an hour early to get ready for work. So I'm tired. So we got package today. I don't know what is it. I don't know how to open this package. I'm still getting I'm still having hard time to open packages. I don't know. What is it? Oh, for sink. I think Dan ordered because the sink in the other bedroom is broken. I think it's clogged, so he got this for sink. He's gonna fix it. So yeah, this kind. I don't know what is it, but it looked like something on the sink because he mentioned earlier the sink in the other bedroom is broken. My mind is not working anymore. I can't think. It's hard to think anymore. I'm tired. Been up since 3 o'clock in the morning. But anyways, I think this is for sink. Mom broke the. Oops. Yeah, it's for the sink. So he's gonna fix the sink on his days off. So yeah, we got a package. I thought something for Ayla, but it's not. Because we ordered something for Ayla, but it's not show up yet. So yeah, this is for sink. So yeah, that's it for today's video. If you like this video, give me a big thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and thank you so much for watching, everyone, and I will see you on my next video. Bye!